Today we're going to look at the full life story and success of Michael Bloomberg. Michael Bloomberg was born on April 14, 1942, in Brighton, Boston. His mother, Blanche, worked as a bookkeeper and office clerk, while his father, John Bloomberg, worked as a dairy delivery company executive and later as a dairy broker. Both parents were of Russian Jewish descent and had immigrated to the U.S. before Michael's birth. Growing up, Michael lived with his two younger brothers in a working-class neighborhood of Brighton. The family wasn't well off, but they didn't really struggle either. It was more of an average, lower-middle-class existence. At age 11, Michael Bloomberg started delivering newspapers for the Boston Herald. He would get up early in the morning before school and work the paper route every day after school and on weekends. This is where he learned the value of hard work and the importance of customer service. The lessons he learned here would serve him well throughout his life and help him become the successful businessman he is today. After graduating from Boston Latin School in 1960, Michael Bloomberg enrolled at Johns Hopkins University. Initially, he studied political science, but then switched to economics and graduated with a bachelor's degree in 1966. Michael Bloomberg's time at Johns Hopkins was marked by a deep interest in economics and a commitment to public service. He was a member of the university's Model UN team and was active in student government. After graduating from Johns Hopkins, Bloomberg joined investment bank Salomon Brothers and began his career in the field of finance. He initially worked in the back office of the company, doing relatively mundane tasks. But his strong work ethic and willingness to take on any challenge soon caught the attention of his superiors. Over the next 15 years, he rose through the ranks of Salomon Brothers and gained valuable experience in the financial markets. By 1981, he was a partner in the company's government bond department. However, Michael Bloomberg was not satisfied with his job at Salomon Brothers. He felt that there was a gap in the market for a financial information and media company that could provide real-time data and news to investors. So in 1981, he decided to leave Salomon Brothers and co-found Bloomberg LP with two colleagues from work, Thomas Secunda and Duncan MacDonald. Bloomberg put in the seed funding for the company and now owns 88% of the business, which has estimated revenues north of $13 billion. Bloomberg's initial idea was to create a computer-based information system that would provide real-time bond prices to investment professionals. However, as the company grew, it expanded its offerings to include news, analysis, and trading capabilities. Today, Bloomberg LP is a global business that provides financial information and news to a wide range of clients, including banks, hedge funds, corporations, and individual investors. In August 2023, Michael Bloomberg appointed product head Vlad Kliachko as CEO of Bloomberg LP and former Bank of England. Governor Mark Carney is non-executive chair of a new board of directors. With this leadership change, Bloomberg LP is well positioned to continue its growth trajectory and build on its reputation as a leading provider of financial information and news. As for Michael Bloomberg, he remains active in the company as chairman and CEO of Bloomberg Media. He also continues to be involved in various philanthropic endeavors. Having given away $3 billion in 2023 alone, overall, Bloomberg's net worth is estimated to be around $90 billion as of March 2024. In addition to his financial success, Michael Bloomberg has also been involved in politics and public service throughout his career. He was elected mayor of New York City in 2001 and served for 3 terms until 2013. During his tenure as mayor, Bloomberg focused on issues such as economic development, education reform, and climate change. He implemented policies aimed at creating jobs, improving schools, and reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Bloomberg's approach to governance was pragmatic and centrist, and he was able to work across party lines to get things done. He was praised for his ability to manage a large and complex city and for his focus on data-driven decision-making. Though Bloomberg's record as mayor was mixed, some of his policies were controversial. For example, he was criticized by some for his stop-and-frisk policing tactic, which critics argued was racially biased. Nevertheless, he remained popular with voters and was able to win re-election twice. Michael Bloomberg's career has been marked by a commitment to innovation and a willingness to take risks. From his early days as a financial journalist to his current role as founder, and majority owner of Bloomberg LP, he has consistently sought out opportunities to make a difference in the world. His success in business and politics is a testament to his ability to think outside the box and to challenge the status quo. For example, when he founded Bloomberg LP in 1981, he was taking a big risk. The financial information industry was already crowded with established players. It was unclear whether there was room for a new entrant. But Bloomberg's innovative approach to providing real-time data and news to investors quickly paid off, and Bloomberg LP became a market leader. Similarly, when he ran for mayor of New York City in 2001, he was seen as an outsider. Many people thought that he didn't have the necessary experience or connections to win. But Bloomberg's campaign focused on his ability to bring fresh ideas and a new perspective to City Hall. And he was able to build a broad coalition of supporters from across the political spectrum to win the election. Throughout his career, Michael Bloomberg has also been a major force for good in the world. He has donated billions of dollars to charitable causes including gun safety, climate change, education, and the arts. He has also been an outspoken advocate for public service and has encouraged others to use their talents and resources to make a difference in their communities. For example, in 2013, he created the Bloomberg Philanthropies, a nonprofit organization that supports a wide range of causes that align with his interests and passions. Through this organization, Bloomberg has donated hundreds of millions of dollars to support initiatives aimed at reducing gun violence, addressing climate change, and improving education. Overall, Michael Bloomberg's approach to life and work is a testament to the power of hard work, innovation, and a commitment to public service. Despite his incredible success in business and politics, he remains grounded and focused on making a positive impact on the world. In 2020, Michael Bloomberg ran for president of the United States as a Democrat. He entered the race with high expectations, but his campaign quickly fell apart. Bloomberg's campaign was plagued by a number of problems. One of the biggest was that he was seen as too much of an establishment candidate. Many voters felt that he was too close to Wall Street and the political elite, and that he didn't have the average person's best interests at heart. Another problem was that Bloomberg's campaign was poorly organized. He didn't have a strong ground game in the early primary states, and his campaign staff was inexperienced. Additionally, Bloomberg's campaign was hurt by the fact that he had previously been a Republican. He had donated to conservative causes and had been endorsed by conservative leaders. This made it difficult for him to appeal to the progressive wing of the Democratic Party, which was key to winning the nomination. Despite these challenges, Bloomberg spent heavily on his campaign, dropping out after Super Tuesday. He ended up spending over $1 billion of his own money on the campaign. Though he ultimately failed to secure the presidency, Bloomberg's campaign did raise important issues and helped to energize the Democratic base. His platform focused on issues such as climate change, gun violence, and healthcare, all of which are still important issues today. So why is Michael Bloomberg so successful? There are many factors that have contributed to Bloomberg's success. First and foremost, he is an incredibly hard worker. From his early days as a newspaper delivery boy to his current role as a business magnate and politician, Bloomberg has always been willing to put in the hours and effort to achieve his goals. He is also a very smart and strategic thinker. He's able to see opportunities where others see problems, and he's able to develop innovative solutions to complex challenges. Finally, Bloomberg is a very generous philanthropist. He understands the importance of giving back, and he has donated billions of dollars to support causes that he cares about. This has not only made him very popular, but it has also helped to make the world a better place. So what are the lessons that we can learn from Michael Bloomberg's life and career? First, never underestimate the importance of hard work. Bloomberg's success was not simply due to luck or privilege. It was the result of years of hard work and dedication. Second, always be willing to take risks. Bloomberg's willingness to take risks both in business and in politics has paid off in a big way. Finally, never forget the importance of giving back. Bloomberg's philanthropy has made a real difference in the world, and it has helped to improve the lives of millions of people. Michael Bloomberg is an American success story. He is a self-made billionaire who has achieved success in business, politics, and philanthropy. His life and career are an inspiration to us all, and his example shows us what is possible when you work hard, take risks, and give back. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, Please subscribe and check out my other videos about business and finance.